What's up, everybody? I know, guys, Welding Machine coming back, you guys, with another welding video. I know we haven't made a welding video in some time now. Alright. Anyways. Alright, guys, first, you're wondering, what the heck is he going to do with this? Well, remember how I busted the tail light? That. So, we're going to essentially take this piece of metal, right here, we're going to essentially lay it over top like this. We're going to do like a steel cover. And it's gonna wrap around the truck. I'm gonna put probably about 4 bolts, 4 self-tap screw nuts for my lights. I'm gonna go with a different light thing this time around. It's gonna be some trailer lights. So I mean, I might hear it down in the comments. Oh man, you're gonna put trailer? Why don't you put the original lights back in? I'm gonna do it like this because I want my truck different. I mean, everybody's got, well, they ain't got that on their trucks, but doing something different this time. Anyways. Alright, guys, so we got the Everlast and we got the Chicago Electric Harbor Freight welder. So we're going to go ahead and do some cutting. Alright, we already marked out the holes. Thanks. So I got a piece of steel, boom, painted it. It actually looks dope. I might not leave it like that. I'm probably gonna paint it probably like a black. So yeah, paint this junk black real quick. Boom, be good to go. Now it's time to hook these up. There you go, guys. The lights is on, turn signals and everything work. We'll fire up the truck.